Strong storms tore across the bi-state 1 week ago. The power is back on and the roads are open in Wildwood, but some areas will not look the same in our lifetime. Meteorologist Tracy Henson tracked this path the storm took through the heavily wooded city in St. Louis County.
Well, when you consider the ages of some of these trees that are probably well over 100 years old, it's going to take a long time.
As Wildwood's arborist, Michael Walsh knows it's not going to look the same in his lifetime.
I see a lot of trees that were destroyed, probably tens of thousands of trees along the path of the storm. Most of them either uprooted or broken in half.
I'm standing in the direct path of the EF2 tornado that went from Villa Ridge through Wildwood. While many structures were spared in Wildwood, you can see the clear track of this tornado by the tree damage alone.
At the end of the day, you're going to see pockets of our woodlands, and right now, without the spring brush that's going to be coming in, the spring bloom, you're going to start seeing this. I mean, you see massive trees down everywhere. Thomas
Lee is the city administrator for Wildwood. He was out surveying the damage after the storm.
On Melrose specifically, where we're standing today, there was a 3/4 mile track that literally, as you can see, it was all over the roads and there was not giving anybody any grace.
Taking out 2 buildings, but no homes.
Overall, the city did get somewhat lucky because the storm track actually went a little bit more west in our less dense areas and kind of passed over our more densely populated areas.
Walsh says it will take time, but the forest will regrow.
They will recover, and the path of the tornado, although it looks horrible, it's only a small percentage of the forest that was damaged.
In Wildwood, Tracy Henson, 5 on your side.
Walsh says to check your yard for tree damage as future storms could be a problem. Look for broken roots, disturbed ground at the trunk, and significant broken limbs.